All right, just a quick update for some folks that are saying that they cannot find their assignments in the assignment section. There's a weird glitch that if you just signed up for SmartMusic on your lesson day this week, that it takes about 24 hours for your assignments to show up here on the assignment section part of the screen. If you're ready to work today, you're going to click in the Find Music section and type in the title of your lesson book, which is Measures of Success. And if you're in band, you'll click just the first response, which is Measures of Success. And if you're in orchestra, you'll click Measures of Success for String Orchestra. I'm going to pretend to be a trumpet player today. So when I click on Measures of Success, I'll click on Open. I'll find my instrument name, which is B-flat trumpet. And then I'll click some of the songs from our assignment list this week. That's a quick workaround today for the glitch that we are experiencing this week. Good luck, and please feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.